Amahine sabre masom ewa Accra City Campus ani mo hanom say na no pay kan wadwen dwumadi Adom TV aha na yede aba bepue na wani tua se eba mpensempense mo nsama hodo a mo discuss e studio na ya bom mountain so na ye ne omanfo bi so abeje adwen se de ekoso ni sei na won from mu den na mo kan de fa ho eno ne kan wadwen dwumadi wo bedwam dwumadi so afia mankwa tamaklo ne anopay ma ba bepie mo ewa ha University of Education Winneba admission no channel so se ekoso na wodwumani opesa otoa onwumasua so no me kanfo University of Education Winneba campus de no ede ama wokọ no mu a ebeboa wo ye papa so nya 25 years okra wotumi kọ ekotoa so degree in education, degree in business administration ni nyina eka ho bi fra 0207 3816680 0207381668 na anyone more enkasabra kwani mo no wana kan so ye bebo wo mudin kan wadwen dwumade no ni dwumade a yedu so manya menua ba kama fefefe ewa hase ya mene no ebedi nkomo na wono so aka na adwen afa eho odo memo akwaba
yeah
mampani ya den sama hudo atudwa sa vigilante groups nim ni ade enya ade se wo beso so ene ensama hudo bi wo hwe no akuma central market eja eto fa bi mo sa we no ede na wo kan de fa ho
efa o mampani eba na ode ato se ode ato mpanyimfo so se eni kwan so motor state cars bi mu no meni o mampani ya adwene free se ono a oba se oba beso mo man no enti se wo show man no external economy ni si kono no hu ni se ye to state properties new ones a emboa ye na so mampanyi se ni kwan se ye to state on car se wo minister ento wo personal car ba wo se ye to state ento wo state ni dimu enti se be ya ye nyina ye mo mampanyi na adwempa o ma o man no ye mo no na wontimi nye efa say almost mampanyi he's causing his government has been a lawlessness government and me no amonya adwen if he says omo emu emrana omo chi o man omo form hu ni eye vigilante group na Delta forces na wo Kumasi no eye MPP for the anso ono ote so na so yes omboa o man nti no onya na adwen say omo makoscot free say oma ha o man no enye say omo Kumasi for nkwa no ma ha o man na bibisa. But if the fact some MPP niti and so he should allow them to go scot free. One more my aware say he will deal with them as the law wants the law states. And yentna ye fie num na say yenti ya yentna ye fie num ka say or MPP government or the current Ghana's government is lawlessness. Enti they make me aka no
na sa data for some rantia no so what is say ya ma wo mu bill said na nka wo mo pe no mo niam a wo mo ye na no court tena se na nka mo pe bill so ya mo mu bill eno so kan dey
eno ena ma ye hu ni say eno na ye betimi dia support say o mampanyi no on working ma MPP government. The man is working for Ghana and he thinks of Ghana's welfare. Inti na omo pe bill na wan farm meaning say or respect the courts no or respect the judges ne kan no. It's if you would remember Muntie Edi Samane no the president of Ghana, the former president of Ghana granted them amnesty because they were attached to the NDC government. But here's the situation say Akufo-Addo so wanyasa. So the first time we attached to MPP government no still they requested for a bill by one form more just because they went contrary to the law.
Yada se papa fancy yenu aba so na yete ne nka no na yenu aba ma ni nkomo ye mokwa baba Adom TV so
mejemo so
nya bone ma ye mo hwehwe okra mampani dia to just state vehicles no was sign krata se free na ekure no wo ba ba mu a wo kwa wontumi nto saka no wo ti ni say no wo hu ni say
I think say a very good initiative our take because over the years I seem not to understand say as government officials, no, this is not something I just say omampeni just onka. I just omunyansa say omu officer. You have to leave whatever property or whatever it is. You leave it, not take it home. But omu they just take the funds. Aside taking the funds, no more cars no so account. I think this is a very good step the government have taken. And I think kudos to him. Why are they?
Now 100 days in your mampani, yeah, share political parties ni be hunu ne sene 100 days no. As amamrane nya dwuma lawlessness, BBSC, yes say no mni ade. One other political parties ne ya doing.
I think say as Ghanaians no, you have a problem kakra. Obiaba Omampeni a resume office and you just give him 100 days to do a lot of things. Ain't mean sisa wabano just on to nyama. Just say ye per se hana drink. Let's give him time. Now on how he will go about stuff. I think that's the best thing to do. 100 days, yes. So on to me accomplishing Yamani in Nampoa. Man time kakra me sure say Nyame Adom with some of ne Omampenimu our selecting obey there.
Data force of one semi and recopy more court to be not one more animal sanky, a more mobile, and say a more mobile, as I remind you or more ebium.
Delta forces are now whatever they call themselves. Now, if they are listening to me, I think that as Omanpenika, you know, we are. It's a rule of law thing. And you know, obibia obeyence in Fumbiano on in a bed daily. And I think that the right authorities will take this up. Yenjai Omanpenina out of this. Let the right authorities take this up, and I'm sure they'll deal with them.
Yeah, that's Papa Pantino, Minion Mubia, Argentina, no, come on, Jimmy, dear Bama Bra. Now, so back at Wadrena, young Mampanese state vehicles, no, a free name Crano. We were Juma mentor, Cas Bebre, or how bet me out on ya by the end. I will use Yana Passoto. What's in the say? No, oh, you okay?
Me, who say, yeah, because like. I'm free your ministers, I'm free officer, I'm free officer, I'm Musikaniama, but it's a free officer, not president say like on my car, and I say you're not supposed to purchase a car. Like it's cool, it's a cool initiative. Like president, you know, or Adrian or the Casa, I see it to be cool.
But 100 days in the other political parties, you know, say MPP government and another do anymore. No, dear, no, some run on Crawford Fanya Juma, and I won't say no wage, Jenny, my way, yes, say, no, me idea. Who support you more? No, we are just 100 days, no, lawlessness, Akoso.
You see, opposition party, they are more Kanyama Bibi, or Betma Kanyama, like they're always against you. So, like, they be on back but to me, I don't me who say like country my lawless and I say BB, but BB akosu bro, yentu and boma your president na shred the obey.
Na data force of audience, Osha, Yamma Mobile.
Dabi. Those people, I see them to be rowdy. Me who say, or many like so, we should just allow the right authorities to do what they are supposed to do. It's data force for no. You see, this country, Ghana no, kebi mamin kebi enti yen to yebo na yen hwede penfo no be
Kawadwe dwumadie Adom TV so na wo hwe no sabrede ye gina Accra City Campus na ye ne asuafo ne obi a wo twam bia nso edi nkomo na wo ma kye wade utum se aha no de abrofo no wo mu pa mrante ye ne yentitwi no mu ne ade nya hwe wo don titwi no kwa de fa frefra mu sa ye mo akwa baba Adom TV so
yo me
no na mampani waso obane wabane kura no sa watro nkrata sign ase say government officials vehicles so we wadwuma na wo kwa ehia so obeto ama ho cars ye tonton garages bebre obetumi akọ wuti we ya support aban no idea.
Well, I think it's a good initiative by the president. He has banned he has banned the sale of cars. Initially, what was happening was that people were buying it, and officials are buying it. Well, in this case, with this initiative he has brought up, the government will not spend more money purchasing new vehicles, and when a new government comes in, they can still use the old vehicles and save expenditure, like to add up to expenditure. So I think it's a good initiative. Yeah.
Good. Now, lawlessness, some other political, opposition political parties, no say under Nanado 100 days, no. As a law, no, Shadan Yajuma, Obia Yediope, Sana Uhuno.
I won't say it's lawless. Lawlessness is a harsh word to use. I'll say a few instances of criminal activities and wrong things have gone on, illegalities, but using the word lawless is hard. It's a bit harsh, but I think his government is still getting into shape. It's now picking up the pace, and hopefully all this will come to an end.
Now, that's a force for no, what are you more mobile?
Well, I don't know. I'm not very conversant with the issue, but I think with what they did, if they deserve bail, according to the law, they should be granted bail. But if they don't deserve bail, then they can still go out. If it's just according to the law, then.
We are students, we are living in it to say.
Well, As of now, right now what we will complain about is probably the fees, and probably, but there have been subsidies, there have been new initiatives. The SRC have cooperated with the school authorities to solve some of these issues, and I think as time goes on, it will improve.
Okay, nti enu abema ba kono no kan wadwen dwumade wa Adom TV so manya ofoforo ye mo akwa ababa Adom TV.
Ma akwa abanso.
Kan wadwen dwumade aban government say dia obane sa state properties and as vehicles no a ministers other agencies mpanifo wo mo wi ano mato ama wo mo ho no say ye ma kwan sa what asem we no we okay.
Oh, ye bama omampani amo say ye wo gidie wo ni mu say adwuma no betimi aye say na o start ye adwuma no. Ba sa asem ne de akoso a na mpanifo no ya ne du ba bi a na o ma ye me ho pensem nkuminya nka wo ba SMP ya ma loan car loan wanya car kede na sa epeka ho biem so be sa akọ ase yan san for state vehicle ma a wo koma kura se osisi a hia ministries ni bi say education omu hia card ya adwuma wo wo kam yenu miensa so yan san for bi nkan ma nti eno de omampani anamo na otine be mo na mo wonkoso ye ogide mu so betima ya adwuma no
eno ano no na other opposition parties no hunu ne say and Adom government within 100 days no asamra na nya adwuma sa obi afamra na hyem nensem na ma aban na aba no wo say we no ye we na Delta Force for krampo die wo support your mo hunu ne say under mampani ni Adom 100 days no niam agensem.
Oh, say no de kan sa na meka say afemu mu no man ni mu adwo because here previous government they need demonstrations ni niam ekoso ye betutuo na obi ani apai ni sa niam no eno de ka ye comparatively then ka beka so on the nka eyemum but Delta Force for no de beka no so munya botre amampani afene na si adwa so obeye adwuma no na Ghana fo ese we are haste to see something but eno ni de meka say yenya botre se no so obeye no obeye nti Ghana fo gidigidi ni mepewe ya priwe no ampa yenya Ghana fo nye MPP fo nko de to abama amampani ya ka ye ni party other parties no so ye to abade man no enti no so bia say MPP fo ne mo madwuma nya ya yeso ye ni MPP ne be ne den
enti say na unko living ne say boso me miensan ye run nine more etise ma
oh ye be ka say ye gusu nyame na Adom but ye be ka ne say ye promises na aban ne kan ye no ye adwuma asem no ene ne ma kitikiti ye say ohwe sisi ai fu ya teso enso ya tu fam adentia ese say omampani di na si form cause ya tu fu ase den ke hu hia say santu roy first so but sisi ai me bai hwe fa ye jemi a ano odin nti ese so ni na si form na ne aka de ahye ngumam so mo be ye no so hwe na ye adwuma
kan wadwen dwumade wa Adom TV so channel so say Springboard College one so boy in ye papa so op school do back home so de no Springboard College na emo hwehwe wo mo Madina Race Junction won ne Glory Oil Filling Station in the hwe anymore and after 0249 101012 0249 101012 na en Springboard College for en kasamini abema kama bin so aha ye mo akwa abado wa Adom TV so
ye wo be das
kan wadwen dwumade wo Badwam ede na wo kan dia fa homampani se free na kure ne de wo ye government official wo wie wadwuma na wo kwa menye wadwen se car na wo use wo betimi ato ama ho uti we no at say
okay me who ne say like a step in the right direction because previously you realize that government officials when they are leaving power they tend to take a whole lot of staffs away so like it's a good initiative that the president has started. It means who say a step in the right direction.
Nti we no be pese bia enye bibia ehye ho. Nti se bia ban no kra sesa na ban foforo bi kra mpo ba. Ye maintain no a wo penisa.
Say omo minim say mra bi wo ho a supporting ana but there should be a law backing it so that no one comes when you are living and you decide to like obefa to buy a car that is for the state.
Okay. Now, other political parties opposition, no, what we know say under Adom 100 days government, no, lawlessness. Koso pa, I'm running yaduma. Uto wa no be a yedi openum ni ade. Who know say?
Okay, with the issue in the news at the moment, you know, I think it's bad. It's bad. The government need to talk to the grassroots and the vigilante groups and all those people, like the Delta Force and stuff. And like it doesn't give the government a good image. So they should deal with that issue. And I think it's okay. Oh, to me, no. Once I'm present you on court in India, I think they should tamper justice with mercy and build them.
No. Can I join? No. What can I join? Tis only in Yadrian. Now, so share our City Campus anymore. Now, so about can what do you mean about my memoir?
Yeah.
Now, oh, yeah, Sieni Wahana Wuchum.
Yes, Sieni.
Now, be okay.
Nyamia do me be able.
I mean, to me, who's no power piper, simple cry. Now, young share a state vehicles and a funeral rubber. Was time, Memo be a wee na okwa, Quata Dakas ne Wokrum, no name of the usually and the end tone for mouth. Oh, what's here? No, a yoke mouth.
Oh, my asempa, cause say, oh, fat a banner Japadiana, and I just say, you'll be for front. On some quarter to 1 year from family woman. Nesicana Acano, saying a man a woman, a bed boy, I mean, so yet in the tumpon. And ye be school and as be bisano. Sigaben or wa bandi be boy, a jumana or castle be created your mind waiting here. Tea me them imagine time or a fan one.
No. 100 days under Nanakufuado government. Other opposition parties who say lawlessness. A cost of papa, running Yajuma, to our Sumesino, or they shun some no yenny on one pay. Sana Huno.
Oh, me them Mihuni, sir, because Mihuni say the Abani, you know. We any idea was say among your forward or mobile political parties, we see Delta Force, we see. Also by idea, no. A woman said you may in India, but I was young to watch your man. If you also know before council or better money, we are seeing a become. Until you enter your boat, never ye GD Tarnachi, so beat me, and I mean the Mujidi so obey. And yet idea effect, say, with me, Bisa, in a man, papa, is see an effect, but it was it me who say they are two, they no crowd to a beard.
Data Force on semi Jidisa Watibi. And now one more call, now come over and see a more mobile, young more mobile. Are you okay?
Me share the way city and I may and tells you, mammy. Yamu, because I was eating me, say no crack, see any in a tear, see no more, see in a tear. Now you who and she say, ah, Barnaby Fasso. And as Wintim Casse, Prefiti Procope, Mediomo Kugum, and I see me you more free. A Brian Fiddy, we am running the Amrani, and I say the Amrani Susa also away. Indeed, the moon say, and tells you,
say I'm more mobile, no?
And tells you.
And one, no, come on, no, I don't so come on. About government say no abandon state vehicles so ba adwuma wo kwa wontimi nto ema ho
nti
then now can fa ho.
Oh, me I don't have anything to say more, but
we okay, we osuani ana say utwam
me osuani
we students send a TMA.
Oh, for me it's okay.
Living now at say
Alhamdulillah, it's okay.
Sir, and Nanado government 100 days. And yama muyama.
Oh, me nyamu yama mimo.
And then how?
Your friend I'm more inclusive. No, high.
Yeah, ma on so kakra.
Was it?
Kasa kese.
Me your friend now more inclusive. No, high. No, higher now because we are not expecting about 15% increment and yet. I had ni papa. Now,
what's in na Oba Hadebia?
Me Medina.
Medina first near Joe Sen as I just say.
First near 230, but now 270.
Hey, and you
because your budget is your assistant.
You buy calling another son call when you be found.
And some will be found because you're brepa.
Ebe Yentino, I don't know, I found your baba, Quaba coming, or do you more Quaba? Can what do my dear? Abans say, well, Baba, state vehicles now. Government officials or more at the Amono. Oh, feeling it.
Me wouldn't say at the part another person on ye because Sakas now, or mobile, better on my sounds to the a Sikanana almost under going to say a jitty tour. I buy for bar ministers no before no more number saying use to vehicles to me them who say I dream papa. 100
days sini other opposition parties who ne sana na do emrana nya dwuma papa obia no de ya ban na aba wote wono abeje wade na sa na hu no.
Oh, 100 days ni dear me madwene say nko ma na na emre kakra oba enche just 100 days or the nyoma betutu ye na obia kuma so ade ama no
ba wo say 100 days no law no anhye da anya adwuma sa
oh I know the etumi see but yeguso because say our condemn nyoma bebra nkofo start omoye ntia no de enim say ne kwan so ano
na data force for ade omoye wo hwe wo pa ese ye de omo che omo ne ayi omo free court ho ana
anka be ya yemfo mu ntumu kakra
for bi abosom ya na weeks
2 months bi ana no mu de omo fansi ansa no mo mbra omo ndemu kakra
but de omo ye no wa wo hu eye
entwa enye ne kwan so no
enti kan wa dwedwumade wa Adom TV so mini abema nkasa se ehu abon kakra ba ehu bi anim government se ana mampani na na do se free na ekwe no state vehicles no wo wie wadwuma na wo kɔ a fasi ho foforo nso ba no abeyisu wo ne ye say
I think it's a good idea. I mean, you don't have a governance that's going to have loopholes and all that. So I think it's a good idea.
Now we have 100 days. Mampani ba ye lawlessness. Sana opposition parties ni bi kan. Ono mo ya adwen.
Actually, I'm not really invested into the news currently going on, but I think if they think they have a problem with it, yeah, they do, but I don't have a problem with it. Yeah.
But why as a Ghanaian, who say law will make mono within 100 days, you okay?
Still, I really don't have a problem with it.
Now that's a force of one so dear, yeah. Then I what's here, then I'll pass all yeah, and I am our mobile. And also, when you're okay, we a businessman and also we a student.
I'm a student businessman.
Hey, and you're cash for her. And the young can be about business. Business is any school.
Business in what?
Business as in the way, you know, a business ben now year now we say school can one living at the side at the mount.
The living is okay. You're trying to merge our what you call our printing press with the students' needs and all that. So yeah, business is okay.
Okay, mount. Now sana we see a combine a jumano any school. No time my classes any a jumano so.
I do. Partial day for there's a what you call it. No, that's the business and then evening time for the school.
Oh, okay. To be you okay? As a young guy, be you living in your mount.
Everything is okay.
Then you me say, "Enti kan wa dwe my dear, no, enne ebna anopa wie ya ha na brama kwan na ye de association so say 2C mobile TV. And also boy ye papa wona ma mobile phone o de ko Play Store na download. Eno ano no Badwam wo be nya bia hwe wo ba bia wonam bia wo mpe we na wo pede enyumakoi ene Springbok College and afa University of Education Winneba. Wom na boy ye chidom ma ye ba ye kawadwe dwumadie ene wo City Campus animo ha ne wo manfo asuafo ene ehwefo nyina so edi nkoma fia mankwa atamaklo ene medi nana yaw eboa ye Mr. Kwakwanso ne ye camera na afa Prosper enso ne ye hyenkane ode ye eba ye ntisa bread ya mun so mo studio da mun nyina se ya wa mo ne hwe eniti